welcome to our 4th week of 5 weeks of Latin club dancing. This is our first week of salsa. We pretty much just basically work on basic footwork. Again, I teach LA style salsa, which is going to be a bit different or a lot different depending on who you ask for the Colombian or Cuban style salsa. So I like to think of it like a neck or a pivot joint, and that goes in 3 different directions. We're going to start basic front back. It's a syncopated 8-count dance. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Also, my weight is transferring onto each hip. So it's not just a step tap, okay? I'm actually shifting my weight forward onto my left hip and then shifting my weight backwards onto my right hip. For a total of 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Or you can count it quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. I'll do it from a different angle. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to do side-by-side salsa. Same rhythm. Now we're just taking it to the side. And I'm stepping to the left, rolling onto my left hip. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And finally, classic salsa. I'm just going to take my foot and I'm going to step around and back on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to put all 3 of those things together. And this is basic LA style salsa. I'm going to go forward on my basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to go to the side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to take it around and back for some classic salsa. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And finally, I'm going to introduce the pivot turn, or right-handed turn. It is a linear pivot turn, and you can only pivot to the right if you're stepping forward on your left leg, which everyone does. Lead or follow, we always step forward on the left. We're going to pivot to the right, turn it around. And we're going to make a total 8 count. We're going to land in 5 going backwards. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Try it from a different angle. Stepping forward on my left, pivoting to the right, turning it around 360 degrees. 1, 2, 3, basic. Here's a turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that is your tutorial for your first week of salsa.